danced in a parking lot before? We're kind of making it work. It's hard to believe, but why not? Cool move. Miss Lauren. I'm going to show it to you. First time ever. Texas Tommy. 3. Done 2 others. Never shown this one before, so give it a thumbs up. We're going to show it to you first. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whole way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9 and 10. 11 and 12. Did you get it? Thanks for watching. All right. I'll show it to you. How it begins is a whip. So we're going to get to 4 for your partner. 1 turning 2, and then she does a 3 and 4. So 1 turning 2, 3 and 4. Guys, get back on the track. Your right foot, her right foot, my left foot weighted. That's the same. So we'll go front to back for that. Bring her in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't get caught up in her shirt just like I did. But do it like that without the hook. All right. 5, 6. You're going to switch hands behind her back. So we're going to just do 5, 6 and stop. Kind of hard to do because we're right in the middle of the speed of the move. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. All right. So I'm on my left, she's on her right. We're going to switch hands and a right to right. So we're going to do it again a little bit slower. So 1, 2. We're going to stop on 4. Take the hand behind her back. 5, 6. So I switch hands. I'm now holding her right with mine, and I'm right behind her. Okay. That's important. You don't do that part, you can't do the rest of it. So let's go front to back. For the hand switch, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's hard to do. I know, it's hard to stop. So
there's a little slant here.
There's a slant. There's a crack. By the way, this is the track. This parking lot line. Picture that as the track.
On the track.
Crack on the track. It's a t-shirt. So we're going to get to the rest of it because the rest of it is 7 and 8. So it's a rock and go. She's going to come up onto her left foot on 8. So sugar push 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there's a lot going on there. That's a hard part about this move. So get to 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn back switch. 5 and stop on 6. Time over the head for 7 and guys, take your left hand behind her back and bring her forward up onto her left foot on 8. So it's and 8. Little rock and go. Let's go this way. That's the key. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So and 8. If anybody's watching, driving by, they're like, what are they doing? So it's and come up onto her left onto my right. So it's a little cool part, little pop in the move. So we're going to get to 8 again and stop. So sugar push 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now I'm going to keep the hand over the head for and, bring it back down for 8, bring her down, turn, triple step, switch hands back. Shoot a little ocho. Guys, off the track for the first ocho, get back on it for the second one. So let's go this way. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring the hand down. Switch hands back. Okay. It's kind of hard, but if you get in her way, you're going to bump. So last time, this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come down. Okay, the key is up over. I just want to emphasize that when you get to here, and bring this hand down, turn her to the left, take it back. Okay, that's a tough move. And if it's not somebody you dance with socially or professionally, it's going to be a hard move to execute. But that's why we record it, practice it, use it. You'll do well with it. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Remember, guys, to look her up. I'm going to put all of her business links in the description box. Talented woman. She's got a fascinating job that would benefit you if you check her out. We hope you do. Until next time, have a great week.
Keep dancing.
I got to point to her.